Today we're making one of my favorite dishes, and that's beef and black eyed peas Cookup. It's hearty, full of flavor, and the perfect comfort food and a Guyanese classic. Let's get started. I've already soaked my black eyed peas overnight. This helps them cook faster and gives it a nice soft texture. Now I'm using black eyed peas today, but you can use any peas that you like. Split peas, red beans, kidney beans, or pigeon peas will all work in this recipe. Drain the peas, then place them in a pot with about 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil and cook for about 25 minutes, just until they start to soften. Then remove it from the heat and set aside. Next, let's prep the beef. I'm using about 2.5 pounds cut into pieces. Season it with green seasoning and a bit of salt. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'll link my homemade green seasoning recipe below. If you don't have green seasoning, you can just use garlic, scallion, thyme, basil. That'll give you great flavor as well. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add seasoned beef and let it cook until all the juices that it releases have evaporated and it starts to brown. And now it's time to add your chopped onions. Cook for about another minute or two, just until fragrant. Now if you're using a pressure cooker like I am, add about 3 cups of water and pressure it for about 15 minutes. That'll get the beef nice and tender. If you're cooking on the stovetop, just continue simmering until the beef softens. The cooking time will vary depending on the cut and the size of your beef. Pour in the coconut milk and bring it to a boil. Then you're going to add the cooked peas with all of the liquid parboiled rice that's been rinsed, bay leaf, basil, thyme, scallion, and wiri pepper for a little bit of heat and flavor. Add the beef bouillon, black pepper, and salt and give everything a good stir just to make sure it's evenly mixed. Now once it comes to a boil, lower the heat to a simmer and cover the pot. Allow it to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now I like my Cookup rice to be light and fluffy, but if you prefer more wet Cookup rice, then add more liquid. Now if the rice isn't quite done, but the pot is dry, just add a little water at a time and keep cooking until it's perfect. And that's it, you guys, a delicious pot of beef and black eyed peas Cookup rice. The beef is tender, there's a lot of coconut flavor, the rice is loose, which is the way I like it, and with all of that herbs, it's packed with flavor. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave a comment and to give this video a like. Subscribe, check the full recipe on jehancook.com, and I'll see you next time.